In today's video, I will walk you through how to whitelist IP addresses on Deribit for maximum account security. To whitelist IP addresses for your API keys, start by logging into your Deribit account. Once you're signed in, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, then navigate to Settings and select API. If you're creating a new API key, click Add New Key to begin. If you already have an existing API key, locate the active key you want to update. Then select Change IP Whitelist. Next, find the IP whitelisting configuration section. In the input field, enter the trusted static IPv4 address for your server or local machine. If you need to add more than one trusted address, separate each IPv4 address with a comma. After entering the IP addresses, save your changes. To complete the update, authorize the changes using your account scope two-factor authentication key. Once the whitelist has been saved, any API requests coming from IP addresses that are not included in your whitelist will be rejected by Deribit servers. If you also want to enable IP protection for your browser sessions, you can turn on the IP pinning setting. To do this, open your profile menu and go to your account settings page. On the account settings page, locate the security account settings section. Find the IP pinning option and switch the toggle to the on position. After enabling the setting, log out of your account. Then log back in to activate the new rule framework. With IP pinning enabled, your browser session is tied to the IP address being used for that session. If someone attempts to use your active browser session from a different IP address, Deribit will detect the change immediately. When that IP change is detected, the current session is terminated, and both sessions are logged out automatically. This prevents the unauthorized session from continuing. If you use automated trading scripts, Python bots, or third-party platforms, you can protect API access by configuring an IP whitelist for your API keys. For standard browser logins, you can enable IP pinning through your account settings. By completing both configurations where they apply, you've finished setting up IP-based security options on your Deribit account. Your API keys will only accept requests from the trusted IP addresses you've specified, and your browser sessions will use the IP pinning setting after you've logged out and signed back in. Thank you for watching.